We're starting our day. Tony's home today, which is really nice. Jacob's online doing his schoolwork, and Precious is trying to find crumbs and anything he can. You didn't leave. Jacob doesn't want you to grab. Yeah, he doesn't want you to grab anything from the computer.
He's the crumb king, right, Jacob?
Yeah.
You know he grabs the little, what are they called, Jacob? He grabs the things from the laptop and flies away.
Oh, boy.
That's why Lexi's always covering hers when she walks. I know we're not supposed to brag and be proud, so I won't, but Jacob is working on 7th grade language arts, so I'm super happy for him. Precious, I hear the gang. All the birds are chirping outside for you. They're saying, where's our friend? Yeah, even the hummingbirds. They're looking for you. They like to fly by and look at you. Yeah. Hummingbirds are pretty, and so are you. Mm-hmm.
Come, Winnie.
Dad's outside, sitting on the porch. It's a nice day here in Tampa. Oh, lucky. You sitting next to Dad? Go ahead, Winnie. Go ahead. He's trying to grab Lucky's food before he goes outside.